If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Small YouTube channels are earning thousands of dollars a month with affiliate marketing, and here's how. All right, so here's the thing. Normally, when you hear about making money from your YouTube channel, the first thing that pops up is YouTube monetization, right? The ads on your videos. Why this is popular? Because that's why people always talk about views. You know what I'm saying? People always be like, yo, I need more views. How do I get more views? I need more views. I need thousands and thousands of views for me to actually start earning money from my YouTube channel. That's what most people think about when they get started with YouTube. But actually, once you really get involved with the whole making money online, especially when it comes to making money on YouTube, you'll realize that a lot of people look at YouTube monetization, like the ads on their channel, a lot of people look at that as just extra cash. A lot of people look at that as just bonus money, because YouTube monetization, the ads and all that, they're somewhat unpredictable, right? In a lot of cases, right? I mean, one month you can make $5,000 a month from YouTube ads, and another month you might make $3,000. Another month you might make $800. But you should know that there is a way to monetize your channel that can make you a lot more money on a regular basis. And that's with affiliate marketing. So if you're not that familiar with what affiliate marketing is, the short answer is it's basically where you promote a product or service, and for every sale that you generate, you earn a commission. Depending on the product or service, you can earn commissions from anywhere from 5% commissions all the way up to 75% commissions. It just depends on what you're promoting. So the first thing you want to do is decide, what do you want to promote? Now there's two ways of looking at this. One is you want to find a product or service that goes along with your channel. So for example, if you got a fishing channel all about fishing and stuff, you could look at it like, all right, well, I want to, you can promote fishing courses, right? How to catch a bass in 24 hours or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, I don't fish like that. But you can promote different products on like Amazon, different fishing rods and boats and all kinds of things you can promote on your channel related to fishing. Another way you can go about promoting on your YouTube channel is finding products that appeal to the masses. Things like, making money or health. Those are things that you can promote pretty much on any kind of YouTube channel. So first thing you need to do is figure out, what you want to promote on your channel. Now, the next thing you want to do is, find different places where you can find products to promote. And if you want to go more with the digital, higher commission type things, you can go to places like Digistore24, or even ClickBank is still popular. But this is if you want to promote things like courses, how-to guides and things like that. And the thing with digital products is you usually get higher commissions, right? Because remember, you're not dealing with physical products. So when it comes to things like ClickBank or Digistore24, you can be looking at commissions 50% up to 75%. Now, if you are into more of the physical product side of things, you can go to places like Amazon. You could be an Amazon affiliate. You could be even a Best Buy affiliate, a Walmart affiliate. You can even be an eBay affiliate. All right. So it's really up to you. And another thing that you can do, where if you are really into a certain product, right? Say going back to the fishing channel, if there's a certain fishing rod that you like, you can actually check with the company themselves and see if they got some sort of, referral program that you can plug into and start promoting like that. So to give you a quick example about how powerful affiliate marketing could be on YouTube, say for example, you are a small channel just getting started or whatever, you're just a small channel, period. And you're promoting something where you get $100 commission. All right. So think about this. So your views, just say your videos don't get that many views on average, whatever. So just say altogether you post maybe 2 videos a week. You build up your channel to the point where you're getting about 1,000 views a week. And that's not a lot, right? But let's just say you're getting around 1,000 views a week. So just say out of those 1,000 views, you're getting a 1% conversion on a product where you get $100 commissions. All right, think about this. So on the week, what's 1% of 1,000? All right, because remember, that's how many views you get a week. What's 1% of that? I believe it's 10. All right, if I'm wrong, then talk about me in the comments. It's all good. But just say 1% of 1,000 is 10. So what's 10 sales times $100? That's $1,000 in commissions. 1,000 times 4 weeks in a month, that's $4,000 in commissions, right? Off of 1,000 views a week or 4,000 views in a month. Now, if you were to be monetized with a fishing channel on YouTube and you're getting about 4,000 views a month, that might be, I don't know, $20 maybe in YouTube ads. You know what I'm saying? That might be $20, right? $20 for YouTube ads or $4,000 in commissions. You think about that. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, I am big on recurring income programs. So that means like whenever you make one sale, you're going to get paid either every month or you're going to get paid every year. As long as that person stays a member or whatever it is, you're going to continue to make money because it really lessens the stress with you always having to create one-off commissions. But if you can sign somebody up for something, you could just sit back, right? You can literally stop promoting the offer and still get paid. All right. So for example, say you were promoting a program or something and you earn, a $10 commission, you know what I'm saying, every month, right? $10 commission. So just imagine after a couple months, you're still not getting that many views, but just say you get to the point where you make 100 sales, right? Over a period of time. Remember, $10, 100 sales, that's going to be $1,000 a month just coming in on autopilot. Now, obviously, because you're on YouTube, right, your videos are still working for you. So there's a very, very good chance that if you generated 100 sales and just say, 6 months, you're probably going to generate another 100 sales in the next year or two and so on. And so that income could just constantly keep building, right? You'll probably get to the point where you're earning $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month from that affiliate offer. Now remember, this is all from you having a small ass YouTube channel. This is you not even getting, 10,000 views a video, 100,000 views. This is just off some little, rinky dink views. You can actually make this happen with affiliate marketing. Now, one more thing. You might be thinking, well, that's cool. So how should I promote, on my channel? One thing that I always tell people to do is create little short ads similar to what YouTube does. All right. So create a 10 to 15 second, little ad, right? Talking about whatever it is you're promoting, and put that ad, you have it created, right? Had a little video on your computer. And anytime you create a long form video, you want to put that ad at the very beginning or in the middle of your video, just like YouTube does. All right. And I used to tell people, I actually used to put my ads at the very end of my YouTube videos. But once I realized, man, it's like a small percentage of people actually make it to the very end of YouTube videos. And it ain't just me, like on average, like your biggest YouTubers, a lot of people do not get to the end of their videos, right? That's why I pretty much say, put your little ad at the beginning or the middle of your content. And if your video is like over 10 minutes long, you can put it both. Put it at the beginning and put one in the middle. It's all good. If you want to take the approach of appealing to the masses, I got 2 opportunities that you can use that can generate a nice monthly recurring income. You can find both of them in the description or the pinned comment of this video.